Do you have that low key battery warning coming up on your car? Your key fob is always talking to your car, so the low battery warning can come up more often than you like. So here's what you need to do. Rather than going into a dealer every time, I keep a few CR2025 batteries handy in my glove box. Then all you need is a small flat-headed screwdriver or something similar. To get to the battery, flip open the key and then pull off the back cover using your fingers. Like this. Look for the little notch to pop out the old battery using the screwdriver. Then grab your new battery and then slot it into place and click it down so it's nice and secure. Then line up the key fob cover carefully so that you can snap it back into place. That's it, you're all done. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thank you.